Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're working on your ABRSM Music Theory, I want to show you how I can help you. On my YouTube channel, I now have over 700 free music theory lessons, with more being added daily. I work with you through each of the ABRSM exercises in each of the ABRSM Music Theory and Practice workbooks from grade 1 all the way through to grade 5, and I explain every single exercise step by step. I also work through the ABRSM past exam practice papers. These are a great revision resource, and I've worked through every paper question by question in grades 1 to 5 from 2014 right the way through to 2018 completely. I'm almost halfway through the 2019 practice papers, and these are being added to daily. Each grade has at least one paper completed in the 2019, and they are going to be completed soon. Day by day they're being scheduled. Look for the links in the playlists, in the cards and the description box. In addition to all of this, there are lots of free resources on my website. If you go to sharonbill.com, you can download free PDF information sheets. These are available in A4 or US letter, and they contain everything you need to know for each of the ABRSM Music Theory grades. And once you're ready to take the exam, I've written an exam technique guide, how to take your ABRSM Music Theory exam. It's for grades 1, 2 and 3, and also grades 4 and 5. Here I give tips on how to best be prepared for your music theory exam, and also tips and techniques on how to make the best use of your time on exam day when you're actually sitting your exam paper. Please do like and subscribe my channel. And please do share out these free videos and resources. Enjoy your studies. Thanks for watching. Bye.